I'm back with a super cool idea. This device can generate energy with Earth's gravity. But how does it work? This is the first version and this is the second version. In this video I will check both versions. Here sees a steel ring and two steel balls sliding on a steel ring. And it is a lever that is connected to the central shaft by means of a hub, flywheel and foundation. The flywheel does the work of storing energy for when the balls are in the blind spot under power, that is, they are weighted together. Pay attention to this part. In this part, the axis is not in the center. That's why the balls are not balanced together. In this position, the upper ball can definitely produce more force compared to the length of the lever. It rotates the shaft and moves down, and it moves the lower ball up. In this position, the maximum torque is produced, and this force enters the shaft. And the shaft produces rotational force. At this moment, the device needs a force to pass the axis through this force blind spot under power. Well, when the ball was going down, the energy was stored in the flywheel. And now, this energy stored in the flywheel comes with the help of the machine and drives the axis through this point until the upper ball reaches this point, and the lever is at an angle of 45 degrees. At this position, the upper ball moves down again, and the cycle repeats again, but there is one point that when the flywheel is directly connected to the shaft, can it store enough energy at this low speed? Well, I have an idea to solve this possible problem. My solution is to use a gearbox, and I designed this second version with a gearbox. In this version, the same mechanism is implemented plus a gearbox. Here, the gearbox causes the flywheel to rotate at several times the previous speed when the ball moves downward. And when the machine is under power, the flywheel comes to the aid of the machine with more force and is easier than the area without force pass. So, now, how should we generate electricity from it? I added a generator to the device and the lamp panels to better understand the mechanism of the generator. And I also made the balls bigger so they can produce more torque, more power.